red wine. And when they found out ang active ingredient ng red wine, resveratrol, true enough, when they tested sa mga organisms, okay, iba't ibang living organisms, pare-pareho humaba buhay by 30 to 60%. So naglabasan ng mga supplements based on this particular ingredient called resveratrol. Now, this particular doctor named Dr. David Sinclair, he is a Harvard researcher. Pag sinabing Harvard, sikat o hindi sikat? Sikat. Sikat. So for so many years, for the past 10 to 20 years of his life, he dedicated to resveratrol. Okay? Recently, 2006, guys, 2006, binili ng isang pharmaceutical company, yung company ni Dr. David Sinclair. Glaxo. Are you familiar with it? Yes. Ang buong pangalan niya, GlaxoSmithKline Beecham. Tatlong company na nag-merge together. Pharmaceutical. Binili yung company ni Dr. David Sinclair ng $800 million. Why? They are launching a drug. Drugs na. Hindi na po supplement. They're launching a drug based on resveratrol na ni-research yan. So usually kapag drugs, matagal bago i-launch yan. Kasi may mga clinical studies, may testing pa, gaano karaming milligrams, blah blah blah, ang tagal. So bago nila i-launch yun, tayo nag-launch na supplement-based lang. Pwedeng mainom. Okay? Pwedeng gawin na supplement, inumin on a daily basis. Why? Ano ba ginagawa ng... By the way, ang ingredients natin, ang main component ng or source ng ating resveratrol, Japanese knotweed. Okay, it's an herb from Japan and from Asian countries, knotweed. Ang tawag doon, premium red wine extract, grape seed extract, concentrated red wine powder. You might be seeing, Doc, may red wine powder. Tapos may premium red wine extract. E di may red wine component yan. Yes. Pero certified na walang alcohol. Kaya meron tayong halal certification for this. Kaya baka sabihin nyo, naku, baka malasin ako pag ininom ko yan. No. Wala siyang alcohol content kasi ang in-extract lang yung active ingredient which is resveratrol. Next. Ano ba basically nagagawa ng Restore Life sa ating katawan? When you talk about heart disease, it can reduce inflammation, prevent oxidation ng bad cholesterol para wag tumigas, wag magkaroon ng cholesterol plaque. In the future, wag magkaroon ng atherosclerotic plaque na nakita nyo kanina. Therefore, it decreases the incidence of heart attack, cancer. Ayan. It limits the spread of cancer cells para wag nang mag-metastasize from one organ to another kasi mababalitaan nyo, may breast cancer. Tapos yung cancer sa breast, lumipat na sa brain, lumipat na sa liver. So ito, it limits yung pag-spread ng cancer. What else? It triggers the process of cancer cells death. Nakakatulong mamatay yung cancer cells by going to the process of apoptosis. Yan yung cancer death. Alzheimer's disease, yung nagiging makakalimutin, ulyanin sa matatanda. It protects the nerve cell from damage. Okay? What else? Diabetes. Nako, to, maganda sa diabetes ang Restore Life. Okay? It prevents insulin resistance. Okay? Yun yung precursor ng diabetes mellitus. Ano pa? Activate SIRT1 gene. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Why? Ano ba nangyayari kapag na-activate yung SIRT1 gene? Nare-reverse yung aging process. And when it reverses the aging process, lahat na ng sakit nare-reverse. Kasi yun naman ang manifestation ng pagtanda. Nung bata ka naman, wala ka namang arthritis. Nung bata ka, wala kang diabetes. Nung bata ka, wala kang high blood. Nung bata ka, hindi mataas ang cholesterol mo. Nung bata ka, hindi ka ulyanin. Nung bata ka, wala kang cancer. Pero nung nagtandaan, doon na nagkaroon ng manifestation ng kung ano-ano sakit. With the activation of SIRT1 gene, nare-reverse yung aging process, thereby reversing all of the diseases that you have. Okay? So it's also a good supplement. You can take it every day, once a day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day, depending kung ano yung kalagayan mo. Liven, okay? The world's first coffee cuticles. Kaya tinawag na coffee cuticle. Why? Ayan. By the way, sige, balik mo muna, bossing. Balik mo muna. By the way, ang coffee natin, Maraming species ng coffee, but we choose to use yung Arabica. Why? The Arabica species ng kape. Kasi yung Arabica, yan yung pinakamasarap, number 1. Number 2, yun din yung pinakamahal. Number 3, yan yung pinakamasarap yung amoy. So, hindi tayo gumamit ng hindi premium na species ng kape. Ang ginamit natin, the premium, which is Arabica. Coffea Arabica. And also, ang kape natin, guys, mayroong component na complete phytoenergizer. So, hindi lang siya 3-in-1, hindi lang siya 5-in-1, hindi lang siya 20-in-1, hindi lang siya 50-in-1. Lahat na nandiyan na. Lahat ng ingredients ng complete phytoenergizer nasa ating kape. Maliwanag po ba? Yes! Okay, next. Naturally, guys, ang coffee may antioxidant mismo. So, ang kape mismo, guys, before, nagkaroon ng study na ang kape masama raw sa katawan. Dati yun. Pero now, kinakain na nila yung salita nila doon. Now, according to Harvard, maraming good effects. Itong sasabihin ko from Harvard research. Maraming good effect ang kape sa ating katawan. Why? They found that kape mismo, even without the complete phytoenergizer, may antioxidant na siya, which they called quinines. Okay? Quinines. Okay, parang kilig. Quinines. Meron din siyang chlorogenic acid, meron din siyang tocopherols, parang vitamin E, tocopherols. Okay? Yan yung inert antioxidant ng kape. Kaya nga, pagka nakikita mo yung commercial ng mga kape ngayon, ano mga sinasabi na sa commercial? According to studies, coffee has more antioxidant than green tea. Kasi mas unang sumikat na yung green tea, healthy. Ngayon, bumabawi yung mga manufacturers ng coffee. Why? Because it's true. Mas maraming antioxidant ng kape kaysa sa green tea. Hindi pa lang nila ginagamit ito as a marketing spill. Ngayon, ginagamit na nila ng mga Nescafe, ng mga Nestle, so and so. Yan yung mga antioxidant ng coffee. Quinines, chlorogenic acids, and tocopherols. Next. Ano ba nagagawa ng kape? Kape pa lang to, ha? Kape pa lang. Ano nagagawa ng kape? It decreases It decreases the risk of diabetes by 50%. Isipin mo kung may lahi ka pala ng diabetes, si nanay may diabetes, si tito may diabetes, magkakape ka. It can decrease the risk ng diabetes by 50%. What else? It can decrease the risk of colon cancer by 25%. So kung meron kang nanay, tatay, kamag-anak na may colon cancer, tapos ikaw, ang manifestation mo, minsan nagdududumi ka, minsan matigas, minsan malambot, yun yung mga manifestation ng colon cancer eh. Magkakape ka. It can decrease by 25% yung risk nun na magkaroon ka ng colon cancer. What else? Risk of Parkinson's disease, it can decrease by 80%. It can decrease the risk of liver cirrhosis by 80% kung malakas ka mag-iinom ng alak na pag kinapa mo yung atay mo, ang tigas na. Di ba nakakita ka, ang payat ng dibdib tapos ang laki ng tiyan. Hindi naman malakas kumain, pero malakas uminom ng alak, tapos ang tigas. Hindi yung malambot na taba, matigas. Pwedeng liver cirrhosis na yun. Kung dati nagkaroon ka ng ganung bisyo, para makaiwas by 80% ng liver cirrhosis, magkakape ka. Okay? What else? It can also decrease by 50% the risk of gallstones. Okay? Yung mga bato sa apdo. Okay? Next. Ayan. It can also help manage asthma, allergy and asthma, headache. It can boost our moods and prevent tooth cavities. So, pansinin mo, pag ikaw masakit ang ulo, magtimpla ka ng Liben. Magtimpla ka ng Liben, huwag ka uminom ng Biogesic. Magtimpla ka ng Liben, uminom ka, pansinin mo, mawawala yung headache mo. Pag masakit ang ipin mo, huwag ka uminom ng Planax. Huwag ka uminom ng Dolphinal. Huwag ka uminom ng mefenamic acid. Magtimpla ka ng Liben. Okay, magtimpla ka ng Liben, uminom ka. Hindi pa nauubos yung isang tasa mo, tanggal na yung toothache mo. Nakakaiwas sa cavities. Okay? Kape pa lang yan na meron complete. So yun yung nagagawa ng ating complete. Nakakatulong. For every 1 sachet ng Liven, meron yung 100 milligrams of complete phytoenergizer. Okay? It can offset the damage caused by smoking. Ayan, kung ang bisyo mo, alak, tsaka yosi, nakakatulong makaiwas doon sa complications ng paninigarilyo. Kaya pansinin niyo yung mga call center. Kapag naninigarilyo, pinatutulak, Starbucks. Mahal na bisyo. Pero at least, na-offset yung negative effects of smoking. Are you learning?
Yes!
Next. Ayan o. It can decrease the risk of heart disease. So nakakaiwas sa sakit sa puso kumpara sa mga hindi umiinom ng kape. So ang daming benefits of taking coffee alone. Kape pa lang yan, alone. What more yung coffee pa na may complete phyto-energizer. So mas malaki yung nagagawa ng synergistic effect. Tama po ba?
Yes!
Next. May choco. Ayan. Konting review na lang. May choco, meron na siyang complete phyto-energizer. Higit sa lahat, meron din siyang DHA. Docosa, hexanoic acid. Ang gagaling nyo. So, ito yung pwedeng hot, pwedeng cold, pwede mong i-shake. Yung iba nilalagay ng yellow, sinishake, biniblender, nilalagyan nito, tapos sinaserve. Dahil na pag summer, masarap inumin, pambata. Ano nagagawa next? Bukod doon sa nagagawa ng complete phyto-energizer, chocolate itself. Kaya nga yung babae, minsan, pag binigyan mo yung chocolate, nawawala yung galit. Kaya nga di ba sabi nila, better than chocolate. May mga ganong terminologies. Kasi may kakaibang feeling kapag kumakain ka ng chocolate. May kakaibang feeling, mamaya di-discuss ko. Kasi yung cocoa plant, which is the origin ng chocolates, lahat ng chocolates yan, made with dark, premium, white chocolate galing sa cocoa plant, may antioxidant din, which we call flavonoids. May naturally occurring antioxidant yung cocoa plant. So lahat ng chocolate, mayroong a portion ng antioxidant which we call flavonoids. Next, ang chocolate, by the way, it can decrease the risk of heart attack by 50%. Isipin nyo, chocolate pa lang yan, cocoa pa lang yan, 50%, it lowers the blood pressure. What else? It prevents the oxidation ng bad cholesterol ng LDL. Ayan, it prevents platelet clumping. Ano ba? Anti-inflammatory effect din, parang DHA. What else? Improve arterial blood flow. Pakita mo na. Enhances action of neurotransmitter like serotonin. Ayan. Help regulate mood and sleep. May effect siya sa mga neurotransmitters o mga messengers sa utak natin. Kaya pag may kumakain ng chocolate, may good feeling. Parang kang inaantok na masarap matulog. Parang gumaganda yung pakiramdam mo. The good thing with our product, na may choco, meron pa siyang DHA na nag-synergize with that action. Meron pang complete that's synergized with this action. So, pwedeng pambata para tumalili yung mga anak natin, bigyan nyo na may choco, sabayan nyo ng Colidus, maya ito yung painom nyo. Okay, what else? Guys, are you learning?
Yes!
So, what we plan to do, guys, is to keep on doing this every Saturday. Para na sa ganun matuto yung buong network nyo. Number one, tumaas yung belief level natin sa products. So we ourselves can take our product, yung buong pamilya natin, ito yung iinumin, at ito rin yung iaalok natin sa mga kaibigan ng pamilya natin. Are you learning, guys?